Hi, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Today we are going to be doing the 2-year PM kit on a Statim G4 2000. First thing we're going to do is remove our cassette, set that off to the side. You're going to want to have access all the way around this unit. Next thing we're going to do is come back to the back and turn it off with that rocker switch. I'm going to unplug the unit, put that off to the side, and remove the waste tube. To remove the waste tube, you push in on the tube, hold that slip ring in place, and that tube will pull out. It's really simple. If you cannot just pull it straight out, push in on the tube, hold the ring, and it will slide out. There are 7 screws that hold this top cover on. You have 2 on either side and 3 on the back. These should be all Phillips head screws. When you get to the back, you have a biofilter. This biofilter is in a small bracket. If you push down on the bracket, that biofilter should pop out. We are actually going to replace this biofilter as a part of this PM. So I'm going to set that off to the side. The 3 screws you want to worry about, this one is actually missing one, but there's one on either side of the compressor and one above the power switch. The Phillips head screws in the middle, you do not need to worry about. Easiest way to remove this cover, if you bring the feet to the edge of the table, you can lift up on the back of this unit. You want to make sure you have room on the side. Once you have room, slide this cover and it will sit on its side. This is connected by 2 wires. If you have room, you do not need to remove this cover completely. There is a power supply board that plugs in, as well as a different cable. If you have issues with that, please give us a call. I am not going to be removing this one completely. If you have any issues, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for free tech support. Thank you.